Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Anissa and my partner Agus and Anita. Okay, our group will explain to you all about pronunciation of mathematics education. Etymologically, mathematical words mean knowledge acquired by reasoning, which emphasizes the reasoning ratio activity. Mathematics is formed as a result of human thought related to ideas, processes, and reasoning. Mathematicians discover patterns, formulate new conjectures, and construct truth through a strict deduction method derived from axioms and coincident definition. In mathematics lesson contain numbers and formulas that can be used to solve problems of everyday life. The branches of mathematics that are studied in schools are as follows. 1. Arithmetic. This branch of mathematics is often used in daily life, even people who don't like mathematics. It is a branch that studies the basic operation of numbers such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percent, and apportionment. Example in everyday life: compounding interest. Second, geometry. Geometry is science that discusses the shape, field, and space of an object, especially area and volume. Competent engineers and architects must master this branch of mathematics. Even now, geometry is needed for graphic design and computer science.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Juniati. I will continue from my friend. Number 3 is algebra. Algebra is derived from the Arabic aljabar, which means a meeting, relationship, or statement. It is a branch of mathematics that can be characterized as a generalization from the field of arithmetic. Algebra is also the name of an abstract algebra structure that is algebra in a field. The formula such as 2x minus 5y, x3, 3x plus 2y are called algebraic form. In the 2x algebraic form, 2 is called a coefficient while x is called a variable. A computer and programming expert, including those who master algebra even as a child, Einstein began to study mathematics from algebra. Number 4 is trigonometry. This is a branch of mathematics dedicated to study all the properties of triangle, especially angle and sides, and their manipulation. Trigonometry must also be mastered by engineers and architects. This branch of science is said to be one of the most difficult to learn at school today, though the benefits are huge for human life.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agus Purnama. I want to continue my group. Number 5, calculus. Calculus studies the rate at which something changes, the sum of a large number toward a fixed value, until an extraordinarily accurate approach to calculating something that is almost impossible to solve to be calculated using ordinary mathematical operations. And number 6, statistics. This branch of knowledge studies the techniques of collecting, processing, and presenting data. This science is very useful in conducting research involving numbers. Even today, politicians need to learn the basic of statistics to know the chance of winning in elections. Usually, statistics are always associated with arithmetic opportunities. Thank you.
Next part is how to read mathematical formulas in English. Next, we will talk about the symbols commonly used in learning mathematics. Symbol on PowerPoint. is symbol equals. It read equals is equal to is. Example, Y sama dengan 7 can be read Y equals 7, Y is equal to 7, Y is 7. And next, symbol on PowerPoint is addition symbol. It read plus, edit 2. Example, 2 ditambah 3 sama dengan 5 can be read 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 2 edit 2, 3 equals 5. Next, symbol on PowerPoint is subtraction symbol. It read minus subtracted from. Example, 8 dikurang 1 sama dengan 7 can be read 8 minus 1 is 7. To use subtracted from, we must read both numbers before the first number, then read 1 subtracted from 8 is 7. And next, symbol on PowerPoint is multiplication symbol. It read times or multiplied by. Example, 4 dikali 5 sama dengan 20 can be read 4 times 5 is equal to 20, or 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20.
Okay, next, bagi division symbol, the way to read it is divided by. Example, 20 dibagi 2 sama dengan 10. Read, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Kurang dari, less than symbol, strict inequality, it read less than. Example, 7 kurang dari 8, read 7 is less than 8. Lebih dari, more than symbol, strict inequality, it read greater than. Example, 4 lebih dari 2, reads 4 is greater than 2. Kurang dari sama dengan, called the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. It read less than or equal to. Example, V kurang dari sama dengan Q, read P is less than or equal to Q. Lebih dari sama dengan is called an inequality symbol more than or equal to. It read greater than or equal to. Example, V lebih dari sama dengan Q, read P is greater than or equal to Q.
The next symbol on PowerPoint, square root symbol. The way to read it is square root, the square root of. Example, akar 3 reads square root 3, root 3, the square root of 3. Note for square roots other than to use the following mention. Akar pangkat 3 dari X is read the cube root of X. For square root 4 or more, use the number plus TX root of number root. Akar pangkat 4 dari X is read the fourth root of X. Akar pangkat 5 dari 3, read the fifth root of 3. The next symbol on PowerPoint, numbers to the numbers, or exponents. It reads squared for rank 2, cubed for rank 3, in addition to rank 2 and 3, read to the number plus th to the power number. Example, 3 pangkat 2, read 3 squared. 3 pangkat 3, read 3 cubed. 3 pangkat 4, read 3 to the fourth, 3 to the power 4. 3 pangkat 7, read 3 to the 7, 3 to the 7th, 3 to the power 7. And the next symbol on PowerPoint, fraction or division symbol.
Read divided by or over. Example, 9/3 sama dengan 3 reads 9 divided by 3 is 3. 9 over 3 is 3. Note for fractions, there is specific way to read it. Setengah, a half. Sepertiga, a third. Seperempat, a quarter. 2/3, 2/3. 4/5, 4/5. 3/4, 3/4. 5/8, 5/8. Those the explanation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.